Hi everyone, my name is Claudio and I'm one of the assembly guy here at FlexQube, and today I'm here to present to you one of our kit cards going out to one of our customers in Germany. So this is the kit card that I want to show you. It's for our customer in Germany, Adidas, and it is fitted with pockets with reinforcement in the bottom and a fabric in the front to prevent material to come out. They specifically request this size, but of course can be fitted with any size that you like, also in length and weight and the size of the pockets. It can be added, it is for manual transportation, but of course we can add a tow bar and a tow hinge to make a tugger train. So this cart is fitted with two fixed cars in the back and two swivel brake in the front to secure the cart when it's not in use. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to reach out at flexqube.com, and thank you for watching.